of different important topics, and you will get an opportunity to be a part of it, and we will be sitting together. But since we are talking about this day, and I am very happy that, and I'm very thankful also that all the resource person gave their best. And today we have, as I said, mentioned earlier, Dr. Prashant D. Aragade, and he will be on with his session for an hour, 3 to 4 or 2 to 3 o'clock. That is the timing. So without wasting time, I would like to invite Dr. Prashant Aragade, D. Aragade, to take control of the panel. Sir, as Sintu sir, if he has come, kindly please unmute him or make him the host so that he could share the things and all.
Yes, sir. Already given control.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I'm not able to see you. I'm sorry. Your video is not being shown.
No, sir. I am using desktop, so don't have webcam.
Achha, no issues about that. Fine. No worry. So formally, it's over to you, sir, and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yeah, we are able to see your screen.
Okay.
Fine. We can see. Yes, sir.
Okay.
We are able to see, sir. Your PPT is there.
I have changed something on my screen.
Sure. We can see that as well.
Now Genomio is open.
Yes, that is visible.
Okay. Now shifted to PowerPoint.
PowerPoint, that's correct.
Okay. Then it's good.
Fine.
So very good afternoon, all the participants. I'm very much thankful to the Professor Neeraj Agrawal, sir, who is the director of CIMAGE Group of Institutions. Professor Neeraj Poddar, sir, who is the principal of CIMAGE Professional College, and all the organizing team who have taken lots of efforts and pain to run this FDP program very successfully. As this program is co-jointly organized with the spoken tutorials, I think most of the participants have gone through the videos provided by the spoken tutorial IIT Bombay. So today, I will try to cover up the most of the part which has not covered in the spoken tutorial videos. So if you gone through the list of today's video, the video 17 contains quiz in Moodle, which explains how to create a quiz in Moodle. Use the questions from the question bank in the quiz. Then in next video, that is video 18, how to enroll the students or users, how to make them in a groups, and how to send the message and the notes. Unfortunately, send notes, this facility is not available in Genomio Moodle course. In video number 19, the grading of quiz in Moodle, review quiz, attempts submitted by the students, edit questions, regrade the attempts, delete quiz, download the quiz results. These things are covered in video number 19. And in last video, that is assignment grading and report, that is review the online as well as offline assignment submissions, give feedbacks on submissions, edit the grades for the assignments, and generate the various grade reports in Moodle. So all these things are very effectively explained in the spoken tutorial. So I will not go into the details of all the things. Apart from that, whatever the things are required to implement the Genomio Moodle, I will try to cover up the things. I think most of you have now able to see the learning outcomes of today's sessions. The learners will be able to create a groups of users. So I will show how we can able to create a groups within Genomio Moodle. Then how to import the quiz from a text file. Yesterday we have seen how to add the quiz, how to take a quiz from the question banks. So today we will see how to import the quiz or questions from the text file. Then how to add these imported questions into the quiz activity. Then we will going to see how to review the assignments in Genomio Moodle, how to generate the grade reports by using Moodle, how to award the certificates and badges to the users in order to motivate them for active participations in the Genomio Moodle course. And last, we are going to see how to add the blocks into Moodle course. What is the purpose of adding of blocks? Apart from that, I will try to cover up the two most interesting things from the Genomio Moodle course. One thing is directly we can able to integrate the Zoom meeting link in our Genomio Moodle course. And second thing, how to incorporate the interactive video in our Genomio course. So we start the demonstration. So now I will open the Google Chrome, isn't it? Is it visible? Can anyone reply me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. Audio is also clear. Okay, so this is my Genomio course. So first, we will see how to make a groups. So just click on the group name of course. So this is the one of the my course, that is pharmaceutical chemistry 2. So just click on the participants link available on left navigation panel. So here you will able to see the 53 participants are already enrolled. Means my students already enrolled the course. So how to divide them into the groups? See here, the groups are no groups. So still I have not created the groups. So I will click on this gear icon, and here the group option is there, groups. So I will click on groups. Here you cannot able to see the groups. I will click on auto create the groups. So it will able us that we can able to create groups within a few seconds. So here group name, I will select group auto create based on. So I will select member per groups. So I want to a fixed number in a one group. So I have 53 students. So I will make the 14 members per group. So select members with roles, that is students. And then I will click on grouping. I will click on groups and then click on preview button. So it will give a preview of the group formation. See here, the 4 groups are formed: group A, B, C, D, along with the users 14, 14 and 11. Last group is of somewhat less, as number of students is less. So I will click on submit. Once I have clicked on submit, so 4 groups are created. Group A having these students, group B having these students. Likewise, we can able to see the groups in participants also. See here. So what is the use of these groups? Suppose I will make that student, that is Ajay Salve. Already I have making non-editing teachers. How to do that? I will explain again it. So you can able to see this edit button, that is pen button in front of Ajay. Just click on the and type non-editing teachers. So he will become a non-editing teachers, and don't forget to click on this save button. So now when I change the role of Ajay Salve as a non-editing teacher, he can able to do a grading of the students in group A only. So he cannot able to grade the group B students. So he can able to do the gradings, have a check the assignments for group A only. So this is the benefit. I will show you within 1 minute how to do that. So for that purpose, I have to log in as Ajay Salve. So now I have entered into the Ajay Salves. See, here is assignment, quiz number 2, and see separate groups A. Only 8 students have submitted from group A. Group A has 14 students, out of which 8 are submitted. So only group A students assignments can check by this person, that is this non-editing teachers. So let me again log in as administrator. So this is how we can able to create groups within this Genome Moodle course, and you can use one of the students or one of the alumni to as a non-editing teachers. So that non-editing teacher cannot able to edit anything because he doesn't have the side administration. Then how to change the role as a teacher? Suppose I want to change the role of teacher of my one of the colleague, that is Vivek Kahare sir. Oh, sorry, he is not in that course. He is in other subjects. So I will search myself. So here, so I will click on this button. Then I will change the role from student to teacher. So I will delete the students and keep only the teachers. And then I will click on this save button. So here, role get changed. So if you click on site home, and now here you can able to see the name of teacher. Previously it was not there, isn't it? So let's check. We will save this again with students and go to the site home. See here, the name of teacher is not available. So how to incorporate the name of teacher on front page? So just change the role of like this and select teacher and click on save button. So role of teacher is assigned to these participants, that is myself. And once you click on site home, you will be able to see the name of teacher. Even you can able to change the name of this teacher also, means teacher, role of teacher. If I want to be this should be a resource person. So how to do that? So just click on the course name, click on this system gear icon in front of the course name and click on edit settings. So you are in the course setting now. Just scroll down, and here is role renaming. You can able to rename the role. So teacher, instead of teacher, I will click here. I will change it resource person or coordinator like that. Once you are done it, just scroll down, save and display. And then just try to find out whether it is work or not. Here, see the change. Resource person, Prashant Aragade. Now here, you can able to see the change of color also. You can do it by using the HTML code. So I will not go into that because the coding is somewhat tough, but it's very easy if you search on Google. So it's very easy to change the color as well as font size and everything. So next we are going to see how to import the quiz. So for that purpose, I will go into the another course. So this is my another course. I will click here, that is system gear icon in front of course name. I will turn editing on. Then again, I will click here and then click on more button. So in more button, you can able to find out the question banks. So I will click on questions. Already you have seen yesterday the same process. So I will click on categories. I will create one category for today's demo. I will give the name as a test and click on add. So category is added into our question bank. And category is what? Test. So in test, there is no questions. Then click on import button. Here, the different file formats you can able to import the quizzes. So for that purpose, you need to have Word documents. So this is the Word document along with the quizzes I have already prepared. There is specific requirement. Don't give the numbers to the questions. Write down the options of all the questions, and important thing is you must write down the heading of options in capital, that is ABCD. So from here you can choose a capital ABCD, and below that write down capital answer word and write down the correct options. So for these questions, correct option is C. Similarly, you have to follow all the rules while creating the quiz like that. So you can able to import all the MCQs if you have prepared with very carefully. Once you have prepared like this the questions, just then click on save as, and you have to change the file type. So for that purpose, file type is plain text. I will repeat. If you want to import the questions from Word document to, if you want to import the questions from Word document to into your Genomium Moodle course, you need to create a plain text format file and then click on save. Already I have saved the MCQ answers plain text file, so I will not do that. Once you have saved the plain text file, then click on this icon format. So if you click here, this is the simple format for importing multiple choice questions from a text file. So you have to choose this. Don't forget to click on this general button. So you have to expand this tab. Here it will ask where to import. So I want to import in text category. Unclick this, uncheck this, and here you can able to upload a file either by choose a file options or drag and drop. I will drag and drop the file of MCQs. So like that. So MCQ answers, this file get imported, and just click on this import button. So I have prepared the 6 questions. So 6 questions are came here, and there is no any error because here in these screens you cannot able to see the any errors. So everything is fine. So just click on continue button. Once you click on continue button, see here is test along with 6. 6 means what? The questions are 6. See, the questions are already added. If you click on this preview button in front of these questions, you can able to have the preview of questions. So this is the preview of question. Answer, just try to. So our answer is saved. So likewise, within a single click, you can able to import the number of questions within your question bank. Apart from that, you can able to import the short answer type of question also. How can we do that? So just click on import file format. You have to choose a missing word format type of file. For that purpose, you have to create another word file in this fashion. So according to Levi's acid basis, so you have to write down your correct answer in that fashions. So I will zoom it. So this is the pattern to write down the correct answer. See, you have to use curly bracket, then put equal to sign and write down your correct answer and close it by again curly bracket. So this is short answer type of questions. You can immediately import into your Genome Moodle course. Another questions type like that. So I use curly bracket and equal to sign. Okay. Another thing, by using this file type, you can able to add MCQ also in that format. So this is the MCQ type of questions. Inorganic antioxidants act by correct answer. I think it is wrong answer. So if your answer is wrong, you can use this sign. The name of this sign is tilde. And whatever the answer is correct, you have to just put the equal to sign. So this is how you can able to create a text file. So this is short type of answer type of question. This is also short type of answer type of question, and this is MCQ. So within a single file, you can able to upload the things. So how can do that? Again, you have to click on save as, save it as in a plain text format. So I will click here, give the name test, and then click on save. Okay, so test plain text format file is saved. So here again, click on import, choose a file type is a missing word format type. So it will helpful to us to import the questions. Import category is test. So just uncheck these both things and you have to import the file here. The test plain text is here. And I will just use drag and drop method to upload the files. So test file is uploaded. Then I will click on import button. See here questions on your screen. Everything is going smoothly and correctly. So just click on continue. Once you have click on continue, see the number get changed. Initially it was 6, now it was 9. So we have added these questions. You have to check by having a preview of this question. See, this is short type of answer of questions. And how to check whether it is gives the correct answer or not, just click on fill in correct response. So here, see here, muriatic acid. And in our Word document, the correct answer is muriatic acids. And in our Moodle, the correct answer is muriatic acid. So this is how, by taking a very small efforts, we can able to import the number of questions into our Genomio course. Now we have added a question bank test 9 questions you have added into that. We can able to import these questions or add these questions into the quiz. I think you have seen this in yesterday. So by using these techniques, we can able to create a random quiz also. And by using a random quiz options, the different questions are goes to the students. So similar questions are not to the students along with the shuffling options. So how to create a random quiz, I will explain within 1 minute. So just click on add an activity. Then click on quiz and click on add. I will give name random quiz. You have to solve these 20 quiz within 10 minutes. So this is the instruction I want to give to the students, and I will set a timing. I will set timing 10 minutes. So within 10 minutes, they have to solve the 20 questions. You can set the open quiz and close quiz option also, but I will skip it. Grade, I will select 10 marks to pass. Attempts allowed only 1. Layout, all the questions. I will keep all the default setting and activity completion. See here, I want to explain these things. That's why I added the random quiz. Now you can set as activity completion only when the following conditions are met. What are the conditions? Student must view the activity to complete it. Then student must receive the grade to complete this activity. So you have to click here, and what is the receive grade? Requires a passing grade. It means that student has to secure or has to get a 10 marks out of 20 marks. Then only he can able to complete this activity. Until if he is securing the 9 marks or 8 marks, this activity will not completed, and then he cannot able to proceed further. So you have to again reattempt the questions, and then he can able to go. So just we have created the quiz, but we have not added the quiz into that. So to do that, just click on edit quiz button, or you can click on this gear icon, and from this tab you can click on edit quiz. So you are here, just click on shuffle button. Maximum grade you want to be, change it to 20 because we are going to add the 20 quiz. Then add, and then click on random question. From random questions you can select a category, test. Within test we have added the 9 quiz, but I want to take only 5 quizzes out of 9. Then I will add the questions. So 5 questions are added from test. Then I will add next type of questions from another category, that is first chapter. From that I want to add 5 questions. Then I will click add random quiz. See here, the questions are added. Then I will again repeat the process, add a random question. I will change the category. From this category I want to add 5 questions again, and then I will click on this add a random quiz. Again these 5 questions has been added. Now I will do the same things for the next category. And then I will choose 5 questions. So by this way I have added the 20 questions. And then just click on save button. Now click on random quiz. And if you click on here, the time limit is 10 minutes. If you started, it will pop up a message. The quiz has a time limit of 10 minutes. So student has to solve this quiz within 10 minutes. If you start the attempts, the questions are seen like that. So every time these questions are different for every student. So random quiz, shuffled quizzes take place along with the random quiz from the different categories. By using this technique, I have taken one test of my students for these subjects. Here the practice test, I have conducted it on 31st of May. Total 20 questions, maximum 20 marks, marks required to pass 10. Time is 20 minutes. Okay. I have set the similar criteria to complete this activity. That is, they required a passing grade. Why it is required, I will show you. This is a completion tick. It means that those students get the passing marks in front of that activity, it will get automatically ticked. And once it is get ticked, it means that this activity is completed. Then the students can able to have the access of the next activity, that is practice test certificates. So those who got more than 10 marks, that students only able to click on this practice test certificate, and then they will click on this get certificate, So those who are get the pass, they will have this type of certificates. So this is the motivation for the students for participation in the Moodle activity. So this is the certificate generated automatically. I have not attempted anything. The score is 0. As I have the admin rights, so I can able to click here. But those who are not passed, they will not get the certificate. Here, the list of certificates along with their grades. So students, the name Akshay Kumar Chaudhary got 15 marks and his certificate is like that. So by providing the certificates or badge, we can able to motivate the students to participate in the activity. So they are engaged in teaching and learning process. See, and in WhatsApp group, I have declared that those will get a certificate, just share their certificates on groups. So what happens when the certificates are within the groups, the other students are get motivated and they are logged into the Genome Moodle course and they have tried to get the certificates. Similarly, we can able to give a batches also. So I will show you how to give a batches. So before to batch, we have to set a course completion criteria from here. That is, you have to click on this system icon, then click on course completion. You have to first unlock the completion, select all and unselect. Suppose I want to keep only, here is so many activities are there. Okay. Quiz practice test. If this activity is attempted by the students, means the course is completed for that particular day. Once I have selected that particular activity for awarding the badge, then I will click on save changes. So it will take some time to set the course completion criteria. So meanwhile, I will show you one another important aspects of this Genome Moodle course. I want to go to the another course. Okay, here. So this is H5P activity, antioxidants. I will click here. This is the YouTube video, but I have embedded the in-video quiz. That is, I have made it interactive. So now just listen the voice and just reply me on chat or by voice whether you are able to hear the voice from the video or not. I will start it.
Hello and welcome. In this video, we will discuss the inorganic antioxidants. After completion of this video, the students will be able to define antioxidant, state ideal properties of antioxidants, discuss mechanism of action of inorganic antioxidants. Antioxidants. Anti means to act against, to oppose, to prevent, or to inhibit. Oxidant means oxidation reaction. So antioxidants are the chemical agents or substances that inhibit, oppose, stop the oxidation reaction. So here is reflection quiz. Stop this video for 2 minutes and think on this question. The question is define oxidation and reduction reaction. Pause the video for a while and think on this.
See how automatically this video get paused and student has to give the answer. Suppose I will give an incorrect answer because I know the answer. I will give an incorrect answer and I will click on check. So it will show your answer is incorrect along with the feedback. So students, what will they do? They will just retry it and then click on the correct answer. When they click on check button, the correct answer will show that you are corrected, got 1 marks, and along with the feedback. Then only they can able to proceed further. Means by incorporating such a things, we can able to make it interactive. This is not possible by using YouTube, but today morning only I came to know that, and I think it will be very useful for all the participants, those who want to be having an interaction or interactive videos in your Genome Moodle course. So this is the activity H5UP. I have done a lots of settings. Then this H5UP interactive contents came in my activity blocks, but due to the time shortage, I will make one video how to get this interactive content on this activity list, because it takes to import and export activities. It takes some time. So I will share one video within 1 or 2 days to every participants how to make an interactive contents and how to embed this into our Moodle course. I'm very much sorry that I cannot able to explain right now because due to time constraints, I have to show another one things. Now here, this is the Zoom meeting. We can able to integrate the Zoom meeting within this Genome Moodle course. How to do that, I will explain. So already I have done the setting for this course. So I have to log into another course. Suppose this is another course. I will click here, turn editing on. So once you have done the turn editing on, you will be able to have this add an activity and resource tab. So just click here and see here in activity list, Zoom option is not available. So how to get it? Just close this window, scroll down this navigation drawer and then click on site administration. Whenever any activity, if it is not visible in activity list, so always click on site administration. Within this site administration, click on this plugins button. So within plugins, you have to click on this manage activity button. So here is the list of activities. Here is Zoom meeting. So for this Zoom meeting, you have to just make it enable. Now it is enabled. Okay. So go back to your course. Then click on add an activity and just scroll down. Now here the Zoom meeting option is available. So just double click on it. Here they will show an error as we have not set the Zoom API key. So we have to set these things from the site administration. Go to the plugins again. Within plugins, click on manage activities. Find out the Zoom. So this is Zoom. Click on settings. And here the error is observed. Connection status, connection failed, Zoom API key not found. So where to got this Zoom API key? So just go to Zoom website. So this is the Zoom website. Sign in your account. So this is the admin dashboard for the Zoom. So here at the left top, just near to the Zoom button, there is solution. and within solution, you can able to find out the app marketplace. So just click on this app marketplace. So you will be here. Then click on this develop button. Within develop, there is build app. I will repeat. You have to come with app marketplace from solution tab. Once you are here, just click on this develop tab. Within develop, there is build app. So just click on this build app. So here is the JWT app. Your account is already has JWT credentials, as already I have set it. So if you have not set it, it looks like this. That is, you will find out the create button here, but I have activated that, so that's why I can able to see directly view here. So just click. In your case, you have to click on create under JWT. In my case, here is view here. So I will click here. So here is API key. So you have to copy this API key and paste it here. Zoom API key.
Sorry, sir, your screen disappeared. Hello.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Now it's here.
Okay. From where I have lost the screen? Shall I repeat the things from here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. From JWT, you have to click here, view here option. But in your case, if your account is not already registered with this, you will find out this create button just here. So just click on create button. I will click view here button. Once you click here, the API key will be visible under this app credentials. So just copy it and paste it in your Genome Moodle course. Then it will ask Zoom API secret. It will find out from here API secret. So just make a copy and then click here. Then this pen icon, you have to click and just paste and press enter. So your key is added. Rest of the settings by default, keep it as, and just click on save changes. So once the save changes take place, now the connection is working properly. So now just click on this site administration. Again, go to your course and then click on add an activity and resource. Click on Zoom meeting, click on add. So here you can give a topic name. Suppose I want to give topic name FDP session. You can write down your description. You can plan it. Suppose I want to plan it at 10 a.m. on 26 June for 1 hour. You can recurring these the same things. If you want to change the password, you can change. Host video, you can off it. Participant video off, host is on. Audio options, telephone, meeting options, enable join before host. So as per your requirement, you can click here. If you want to give the grade, you can give, but doesn't require. Restriction access, you can set as per your requirement and just click on save and display. Unable to join this at this time because we have set it at Saturday 27 June. So student, just log in into your Genome Moodle course and just click on this activity. So they will automatically entered into the Zoom meeting. So there is no further requirement whether they have to have separate URL or what. And second important thing is, if you are having a meetings within your Zoom, so it has a tick marks, means students has attended this meeting. So ultimately you have taken the attendance also, and after that you can able to create a quiz activity here. So after completion of FDP or session, you have to solve these questions within 10 minutes or 20 minutes. So by this manner we can able to make it very interactive, and all the students has to present for live sessions, along with the they have to solve the questions followed by the live sessions, and they have to solve that particular questions within 10 minutes or 15 minutes, like that. And you have to set a timing for the questions, that is open quiz timing after your sessions. So by this manner we can able to create FDP sessions or online sessions by integrating the Zoom applications into your Genome model course. So next I will explain the assignment, how to overview or review the assignments. So for that purpose I have to go to the second course, Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. We have set the course completion criteria before. It will not activate it. Okay. So this is the assignments given to the students. What assignments? I have to ask one questions to them, make table like that. 30 students already submitted. So if you click on view all submissions, you will find out the list of participants or students along with their status, grade, edit options and everything. Already the spoken tutorial video giving the good explanations how to grade them, how to do that. Okay, I will not repeat the same things, but I will able to see, I will tell you how to give a extension to the students. Suppose they want to submit later, now you can hear either you can give a prevent submission or edit submission. You can change it here. We can able to upgrade the grades or revert the submission to draft. Even we have to given them to the draft condition. If you click here, the status get changed, the draft not submitted. So message gone to the that particular students if they want to do something. Suppose you want to give a grade, so just click on the grade button. Here they have uploaded the PDF. So on this PDF you can able to do annotations from here. Suppose this answer is wrong, so I will just click here wrong. Suppose next option is correct, I will click here correct. Once I have done all the settings, I will put marks here. Suppose 2 is wrong, so I will put randomly 98 marks. Here you can able to write down the feedbacks. And just click on save changes. Once you have click on save changes, it will get graded and your annotation is also get saved. So how they will get? They will find out this PDF here. 1 minute. I will just hide this navigation drawer. See here, I have checked it now itself along with the feedback and along with the annotated PDF is what I have made, and grade is here. So if you click this annotated PDF, see here. So students will get the feedback along with where they have made the mistakes, where they are having the correct answer. So likewise, we can able to give grades to all the students from this assignment button. Next thing is how to how to export the grader books. So just click on this system gear icon in front of course name. Then here gradebook setup. So click on this gradebook setup. Then click on export button. And then click on Excel spreadsheet. So I will repeat, from where you can get these grader book options. In front of course name there is gear icon. So just click on that. Then within this system gear icon you will find out gradebook setup. So just click on gradebook setup. Then click on export. You can able to export at a same time for all participants, or group A, group B, group C, group D. I want to all participants. And suppose you want to be a specific test or specific quiz for your further purpose, for document purpose. So you can click on that particular activity, that is I will click on practice test. So I will select it only that particular things. Then I will choose a format along with percentage and just click on download. Before click on download, just ensure that you have selected a proper file type, because I don't have open document spreadsheet software. So I will click on Excel. Then I will do this same thing again, deselect all. Then I will select practice test and just click on download. So here the gradebook is prepared automatically for practice test. So once the test is over, I can able to generate a report for all the students along with the marks. Some of the students have not attempted the quiz and some are getting the less than 10 marks. So by this way, sir, my screen is off, I think so. Sidhu Kumar sir.
No, sir. It's visible.
I think you have clicked on share screen button. Okay, is it working now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So by this method, we can have a grade book in our hand to compare the students, to have a documents for our NBA purpose or for NAC purpose or any other administrative purpose we can able to do. If you select all the things, it will also generate this within a second. So all tests, all assignments, all quizzes are came into your grader reports. So this is grader reports, first name, last name, along with everything. Whatever the activity you have taken for grading purpose, all are comes into your Excel. And by having a formatting options in your Excels, you can able to give average marks to the students, and you can able to do any format of the reporting. So in these fashions, we can able to create a grader reports in similar manner. So next, I will explain how to add a block into Moodle course. So this is the home page of our Moodle course. Here you will able to see a completion progress. This is the completion progress bar. This is a course completion status block. This is activity result, or you can say it as leaderboards. So I have choose it practice test, and these 6 students got more marks. So first rank students got 95 marks and second rank got this marks. So it will also visible to the students also. So by adding such a blocks into your course, you can able to motivate them to solve the quizzes correctly, get the more marks and get their name on board. And this completion progress bar, it will help the teachers to have a tracking on the students. So if you click on overview of students, you will get this type of activity. If suppose the students Ajay Salve has never entered in the course. Why? Due to the internet connectivity issue and he does not have the smartphone. Like now these students have attempted everything. So 92% he has completed. You can able to sort it out by click on progress. So here within a single click, we can able to see the progress of students. So what is the problem for these students? By seeing this progress, you can able to try to find out the problems along with the students. Though whether the students are participating our activity or not, you can have this type of facility in your Genomio course. But this facility is not available in other LMS. So we can have a tracking of the progress of students. How to get these blocks into your course? I will show you by using this. This is the new course. Here there is no any other blocks are seen. Okay, so if you logged into your course, that time course looks like that. Here under the site administration, there is no block option is there. So how to do that? So just click on this gear icon, then click on turn editing on. So once your turn editing is on, so just scroll down this navigation drawer, dashboard. Now here add a block options is visible. So just click on add a block. Here completion progress bar is visible. So just click on that. So here completion progress block is now appear here. Likewise, if you want to add a course status block, so course completion status block, you can add here. Likewise, if you want to activity results, you can add activity results. So within course completion status, as administrators, you cannot able to see what is the actual meaning of this course completion status. So for that purpose, I will log into as a students. So by logging as a students, we will able to know that what is the use of this course completion status block. So this is the student login. Here one activity is incompleted by the students as he has not get the certificates, because might be he has not having that much of marks. Okay. Second thing, course completion status. I have assigned the 22 activities. Out of 22 activities, he has completed 21. So by looking this, the students are come to know that still one activity is remaining to attempt. So they will just click over here, try to find out which activity is remaining. Okay. Second thing, this activity result block. We are in students login and students are able to see the 6 students on a board. So next time they will strive hard to get a more marks so that their name should be on a board. So it is the one kind of motivations for the students. Second kind of motivations is that you can able to award them a badge. I think it will get time to open. Okay. So I have designed this badge and awarded to the students, those who are getting the particular marks or that activity completed within the times. So once they got this type of badges, they will share it in WhatsApp groups or their groups. By seeing this status on WhatsApp or in groups, other students are get motivated and they will start to explore the things in your Genomic Model course. So I think my time is over. If organizer permit me, I will explain how to award batches and certificates to the students. If there is no timing, I will share the demo video how to do that on our WhatsApp groups. So all the participants will get benefit of the same. So shall I continue or shall I stop? Please reply the organizer.
Sure, sir. We can continue.
Kulkarni sir is waiting, na?
Let me check.
Yes, sir.
Kulkarni sir is waiting or what?
We had Sintu sir. Could you please confirm if he's waiting? And
Yes.
Sintu sir, just give me a moment, sir. Let me just check it out because we have spoken. We got him called and he said that he will be available. Let me check whether he's available right now or he will take some time. Please wait for a moment.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, good afternoon to all of you, and thank you very much for this opportunity. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, sir.
Okay. So thank you very much, Dr. Prashant Aragade, sir, that you have presented the Moodle. And I think, so shall we go ahead or how it is?
So
Yeah, hello.
if someone has some difficulty, if no difficulty, then
Yeah, please go ahead.
You can
First of
start.
all.
So do we have any question from any participants? They can raise their hands. Well, as of now, there's no hand which has been raised by anyone. So we have got a question from Deepankar Ghosh. Deepankar Ghosh.
Yes, sir.
You can
This is
unmute yourself.
Deepankar
Yes,
Ghosh.
sir, please do ask question.
Sir, suppose a quiz is framed with random questions from question banks. Now, during the test, a student submits the quiz by mistake. Can we restart the quiz for the student with the same question set from that point where he or she has left?
Sir, we have to check it whether it is working or not. But suppose, unfortunately, they will not able to complete that particular quiz, isn't it? Within time.
Yes, sir.
What we have to do, we have to just go to this practice test, means that particular random quiz test. Okay, just click on attempts. Okay, suppose this is that particular students has this problem. Sir. Okay, so just we will check it. Okay, I will take these students. Namrata Pawar. First question is drugs that prolong the coagulation. Okay, so I will going to delete her attempts. So by selecting this students, just scroll down and delete selected attempts. Okay, so that particular student's attempt is get deleted from our list. So next is what we have to check whether it is work or not. So I think Namrata Pawar. Okay, I have to log in as a student. So now I am in students. Okay, now here see, first it was a ticked, now it is not ticked. Just click on that particular test. They will start the questions, and here the question get changed, sir.
That's the point, sir. Can it be formed in such a way that same question set will be repeated?
If you are choosing the random quiz, every time when they are click on attend quiz, that time randomly it will come, sir, and in shuffling
Yeah.
manner also. In shuffling manner also.
Yes, sir.
But
That's the problem, I say.
but there is no problem, sir. Once they have submitted it, na, so they will not again attempt. They will not able to attempt the quizzes. By you have to do a sittings in a quiz that only one attempt is allowed.
No, my point is that by mistake it was submitted. It was not the intention to submit. So suppose he has completed 15 questions out of 20. Now 5 questions, only 5 questions are left. And due to some mistake it was submitted.
Then we have to give extension to her. But it is not possible in case of quizzes, I think so.
Okay,
because
sir.
it is possible in assignment.
Aragade, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I come in?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can please, sir.
Sir, when you generate the report of the quiz, that time there is an option called as regrade all. Okay,
Achha.
so you just change that question and answer session, and then you regrade all, sir. Your problem will be solved.
But sir, what they want to ask that same question will be there for the
same
students.
question, same answer. Already exam is over, options are given, everything is done. Now you want to change it. You change it and regrade. There is facility called as regrade.
Yes. If suppose that students is not attended that question, then what to do that?
Then also we can regrade, sir. That regrade option is there. There they can do it.
Yes. Regrade. We can give a regrade. But if they are not attempted, then why there is need to give the grades?
Then also it can done, sir.
Yes, it is possible, sir. No, from here also.
Yes.
Make a comments and override the marks. Here also we can.
There also we can. Yes, sir. You show them regret. Yes, sir. Done.
Yes.
And override. Override also you can do it manually.
Yes.
That is possible.
But how can I know that the student can answer it or not? Without knowing that, I cannot regret it.
Yes, sir. Yes,
that
sir.
Visible, na?
That's my point, na, sir. That's why I am not.
Then you open that student and see whether it has done it or not.
Yes.
That is possible in quiz window.
Yes, this is same window is appear here.
Yes.
Question to questions you can able to do that.
Yes.
This make comment and override marks. Already it is explained in spoken tutorial material, spoken tutorial video. That's why I have not taken that part.
Okay, so another question is how to write math equations with special symbols like vector symbols or special notations, which are not generally produced in math editors. Now we cannot incorporate. Actually, I cannot incorporate that math editor plugin in Genomio module.
I am very much sorry for that. I don't know whether it is possible or not because I am from pharmacy background and I have never come up with these situations. So engineering faculty will be give the answer that particular thing. We doesn't require that thing, so we have not explored the things, sir. Sorry for that, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in Attu toolbar, there is an option called as equation editor, sir.
Yes, sir.
And there you can make your editor, math editor option you can recall, and there you can give it.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, is there any?
We got one more question from Mrs. Vandana. Vanda Shashikant Patil. Mrs. Vanda Shashikant Patil, you have raised the hand if you have got any question. I hope I'm audible to all. Vandana ma'am, if you can get my voice. No, we have got a question from Neha Jha as well. She has also raised the hand. Mrs. Neha, you can ask the question.
First of all, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, my question is that is
Please be a
it
bit
so
louder,
important to Sir, is it important to stick to the format for importing quiz questions just by copying from net and pasting it? Is it possible or not?
No, madam. You have to maintain this format. If you made some changes in this format, it will not possible to import the things. It will shows the error. So this
Oh,
this particular type you will find out in Moodle documents, madam. If you go to the Moodle site for missing type question input, it will show. See here, this is the format they have given along with these curly brackets is equal to sign, and within this text you will be getting the what format is required to import the questions from the text file. So
okay, sir.
you have to maintain this format, then you can able to import the things.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Jaideep Pawar sir is asking some questions. Jaideep Pawar sir, please.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, my question is, actually I am as a teacher, role as a teacher in
Okay.
two different websites of Genomio sites.
Okay.
One is for third year, and the second one is the fourth year.
Okay.
One subject is common, like pharmaceutical jurisprudence.
Okay.
For SPPU is fourth year, but as per PCI syllabus, it is in a third year.
Okay.
My question is, I have prepared that particularly quiz for final year students in
Okay.
a final year website, Genomio.
Okay.
Can I
Okay.
export for third year or import from third year?
Yes sir.
website?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Can you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will just explain you how to do that. Okay. So already I have suppose this PC1, this question is of acids and base. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question banks. Export, you have to choose from now here export. Okay. In Moodle XML format. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And select that question category. So I have to import the acid and base buffer into new course, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So here I will choose the same category and Moodle XML format, and then I will click on export questions to file. Now your exports file is start to download. Here is question file is downloaded. Okay. Now I am in another course now, isn't it? This is onlinegenomio.com course. Previous one is pharmacamgenomio.com course. So
Yes,
here
sir.
I can able to import the questions from more question bank. Okay. Click on import and Moodle XML format now, this file type.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is default, whatever the things are there, keep it is at import questions from this. You have to drag and drop the file. So I have to find out the download. Here is XML format file type. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just drag and drop here. Wait for a minute. Now this file is uploaded. Click on import. See here, all 14 questions are here without any errors. Just click on continue. So your questions on PC114, these questions are came here. Okay. Yes. And now you have to add these questions. Suppose here, add an activity. Select a quiz activity. Add. So I am in hurry, so I will just provide some text. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Test of the things you can do. Save and display. Now quiz has been generated. So click on edit quiz. Okay. Yes. Then click on add button. And now you have to choose from question bank. Okay.
Yes.
If you click on, and already this is the 14 questions just we have imported from another
Yes.
course. So just select that questions. You can select here. If you select all the questions, all questions will come. If you want to select some questions, you can select some questions only and then click on add selected questions to the quiz.
Yes, sir.
So here the questions are added to here at
Yes.
one number quiz. If you click on attempt quiz, now start the questions are there.
Sir.
So likewise, you can do it, sir. From one Genomio sites, you can import and export to the another Genomio site. Sir. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you for sir. You have solved my big questions or
Okay,
big
sir.
work, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, can we use the same technique for the all contents?
Yes, sir. You can use, but sometimes it will not work. But sometimes it will take some too much data, isn't it? So only thing is what assignments and these questions you can do. Rest of the things you can just have a copy from YouTube and you can upload the PDF file or presentation. So I think only you can use for questions is better.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for making this very easy in manner. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. I believe we got one more question. We can take the last question from Ravindra Pardesi. He has raised the hand. Mr. Ravindra?
Hello.
If you have a question, you can ask yourself. You can ask the question, please. You can mute yourself, unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yeah.
If suppose I have created class before lockdown and now they are in the next 5th class, so can I continue the same class so that I can save my work of creation?
But your site is should be remain active, sir, because Genomio after the 30 days, if it remains inactive, it will not working properly.
Yeah.
You have to restore the site, sir. If the data is in their server,
I am, that question actually I should have asked in Google Classroom because I have created Google Classroom. Sorry.
Okay. Okay. With this, if someone has some questions, kindly post it on WhatsApp group. I will be happy to give the answers. Last but not the least, you have to follow the guidelines given by the local authorities and the Indian government. Stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. I am very much thankful to all the organizers.
Thank you so much, Prashant,
in coming days, I will upload some videos on my YouTube channels. So just have a look.
Sure.
So thank you and thank you very much. I will stop my screen now.